Did you know that today, when people need information, most of them go directly to Google or watch videos on YouTube instead of visiting a library? So the question is, how can libraries stay relevant in the digital age? In this video, we will explore library marketing, how libraries can promote their services and attract more users. What is library marketing? Library marketing is the process of promoting library services, collections, programs, and digital resources to users and the community. In the past, libraries waited for users to come to them. But today, libraries must actively reach out to people and show them the value of their resources. This can be done through modern platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Through these platforms, libraries can connect with thousands of people instantly. Why library marketing is important. In today's digital world, people have access to many information sources. For example, users often search for information on Google or read articles on Wikipedia. If libraries do not promote their services, many people may not even realize the valuable resources available in libraries. Library marketing helps too. Increase the number of library users. Promote digital collections and databases. Build stronger relationships with the community. Encourage reading and learning among young people. In short, marketing helps libraries remain visible and relevant in the information age. Tools for library marketing. Now let's look at some important tools that libraries can use for marketing. 1. Social media marketing. Social media is one of the most powerful tools for library promotion. Libraries can use platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Libraries can share new book arrivals, library events and workshops, educational videos, reading recommendations. 2. Graphic design tools. To create attractive posters and social media content, libraries can use tools like Canva. This helps libraries design professional posters, infographics, and promotional materials easily. 3. Library automation systems. Modern libraries also use digital systems such as Koha. These systems allow libraries to provide online catalog access, digital circulation services. Efficient library management. 4. Video marketing. Video marketing is becoming increasingly popular. Libraries can create videos such as library tours, book reviews, research guides, information literacy tutorials. These videos can be shared globally through YouTube. Benefits of library marketing. Library marketing provides many benefits for libraries: increased visibility and awareness, higher user engagement, stronger community relationships, greater use of library resources. 4. Librarians. Professional recognition, development of digital skills, opportunities for leadership and innovation. Through marketing, libraries transform from quiet book spaces into active knowledge centers. In conclusion, library marketing is essential in the digital age. By using modern tools, social media platforms, and creative strategies, libraries can reach more users and demonstrate their value to society. Libraries are not just places to store books, they are centers of knowledge, learning, and community development. And effective marketing ensures that this knowledge reaches everyone. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about libraries and library and information science, subscribe to our channel, Voice of Libraries, and stay connected for more educational content.